Ask the Experts is brought to you by Seaman Law Offices, the keystone to your family's legacy.
Welcome back to Ask the Expert, Doreen.
Thanks, Krista. And today I'd like to thank all of our veterans too.
Yes, definitely. They have sacrificed so much for us.
They have. And so my team and I have always been honored to work with our local veterans. As part of our services, when we provide estate planning for veterans, we also review the Veterans Improved Pension.
Okay, so that's also called aid and attendance, is that right?
Yes, it is. This pension's for wartime veterans who are 65 years old and or disabled, and they've served at least 90 consecutive days of active duty during specific dates of war.
Now, if they meet that criteria and were honorably discharged, they can apply for the pension, is that right?
Only if they're receiving assistance with daily activities of living, such as bathing or mobility, and have unreimbursed medical expenses, such as in-home care that's given by another person.
Okay, so this pension is for veterans who have long-term medical conditions.
Right. There are also rules about income and assets. These rules are under review all the time, but I work very hard to stay up to date on any and all changes.
Okay, so if a wartime veteran has a lifelong illness that requires an in-home caregiver or an assisted living facility, he or she should call your office.
Yes, because my team can review all of the eligibility requirements. This pension is a reimbursement to the veteran for money spent on a caregiver.
So that veteran would pay a caregiver, then receive money from the VA to cover that expense.
Correct. For veterans requiring daily care causing a financial burden, this benefit can be a lifesaver. And it can also prolong the amount of time that person can stay home before entering a facility such as a nursing home.
Okay, is this only for veterans?
Well, no, the pension extends to surviving spouses and dependents of veterans who meet the criteria, but the veterans already passed away.
Okay, well, if this pension could help you or a loved one, you can call Doreen at Seaman Law Offices at 304-554-2900 or visit SeamanLawOffices.com. Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.
Ask the Experts has been brought to you by Seaman Law Offices, the keystone to your family's legacy.